What is Heisenberg uncertainty principle? According to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, we came to know that if a particle shows wave nature, then it will be a microscopic and moving particle. So, in the study of physics, we note that if a particle, then it must have mass and velocity, and when it is a wave, then it must have wavelength, frequency, and velocity. So now I have noted a line that if a particle shows wave nature, means suppose a electron, it shows wave nature, we also show wave nature. Any particle in the universe have dual nature. It has wave nature as well as particle nature. So if a particle shows wave nature, then it will be a microscopic and moving particle. A particle then only shows wave nature when it is a microscopic particle, means it is a small particle and it is moving particle. So now Heisenberg told that by simultaneously accurately you can't measure the position and momentum. So according to the Heisenberg uncertainty principle, Heisenberg told that you can't accurately measure or can't simultaneously measure the position and momentum of a moving particle. It means that suppose you are moving in a car by full speed. Now if you calculate the speed of the car, then you cannot calculate the position of the car where it is moving. So Heisenberg told that if you calculate the momentum, it means that the momentum is calculated and the position can't be calculated. So now let us look what is the definition of Heisenberg uncertainty principle all about. So now what is the definition? The definition suggests that the exact and simultaneous determination and position and momentum of a moving particle, means microscopic particle, is impossible. Means suppose a mass m with a mass m of body moving with velocity v. So now we have noted that a body of mass m is moving with velocity of v, means its speed is v, velocity. Now if we calculate the mass, suppose we have calculated mass and velocity, then we can calculate the momentum, because the formula of momentum is p is equals to mass into velocity, means momentum equals to mass into velocity. Then the momentum is calculated, but according to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, we have to note that we cannot calculate the position. If we calculate the momentum, then we cannot calculate the position, and if we calculate the position, then we cannot calculate the momentum. Now let us take a point. Momentum measure error, means if the error in measurement of momentum, let us take as delta p, and let us take the position, means the measurement error of position, as delta x. So I have told that what is the measurement error of momentum, delta p, and the measurement error of position is delta x. According to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, the equation is delta p into delta x equals to h by 4 pi, means the minimum value, means the smallest value that it will suggest is the delta p into delta x equals to h by 4 pi. So this is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle equals to, or it can be written as delta p into delta x equals to is greater than equals to h by 4 pi. So this is the equation of Heisenberg uncertainty principle. Now we have to look at a problem. Suppose a body is moving with mass m and velocity v. Suppose we have calculated the velocity, mass, then its error in momentum, mean momentum measure error, mean error in measurement of momentum will be 0, because it is calculated and it is exact. Now we have written that error in momentum equals to 0. Therefore delta p is equals to 0. According to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, delta p into delta x greater than equals to h by 4 pi. Now we have to write that delta x equals to delta p greater than equals to h by 4 pi. Now by taking delta p on the lower side, we have noted that delta x is greater than equals to h by 4 pi into delta p. As delta p is equals to 0, means it is calculated and it has 0 error, then we have to calculate that delta x is equals to infinite. Means whenever a delta p, means whenever momentum is 0, then the position is infinite, and whenever the position is 0, momentum is infinite, and vice versa, means not known, position is not known. So according to Heisenberg uncertainty principle, we came to know that whenever position is calculated, then momentum cannot be calculated, but when a position is a momentum is calculated, then position is not there. So this is the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. There is a silly joke about Heisenberg uncertainty principle. So what is this silly joke? So one day Heisenberg is traveling in full speed in a car in a mountain. One policeman catch him and told, Heisenberg, you know from how speed you are traveling car? So Heisenberg told, if I calculate my car speed, then I could not calculate the position where I am traveling. So I could not calculate the car speed when I travel. So from this example you came to know that the exact and simultaneous determination of position and momentum of a moving microscopic particle is impossible. Means if we calculate the momentum, then position is not known. Then if we calculate the position, then momentum will be not known in two cases, and vice versa. So this is all about the Heisenberg uncertainty principle. If you like the video, then like and then share. Thank you for watching my video. If you like, then share and share enormously. Thank you. Seeing you in next video with full of scientific and enigmatic fact video. Thank you.